cute it is.
Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be redrawing my son's art. Now, I don't think anything's wrong with my son's art. I love his art. I think he's a pretty good artist. He's only 6 years old, but he drew some of these when he was 5, and but still, he has pretty good grasp on things like, like pointing with shoes and for shorting and stuff like that. But this time we have a little Frankenstein that he did, and I'm going to be redrawing that part. Now, the original, I love so much. As you can see, it's all wrinkly because somehow it ended up in the trash, and I took it out and I was like, this right here, I'm keeping this one. And so I asked him, like, hey, can I redraw your art? Because usually I feel like when people redraw their kids' art, it's kind of like, I like the concept, I'm gonna take that and steal it, and the kids like, oh, you do my stuff better than me. But like, yeah, I asked him, he said, yes, I want you to do it. And so, okay. So for this one, I redrew the Frankenstein in my interpretation, of course. And honestly, I like his better. My version is a little, it's alright. But his version is much better. I like it. I love it. That's why I fished it out the trash. Here's the final piece. Tell me what you think about it. Give it a thumbs up if you like it, or give it a thumbs up if you like the original better. Just comment what you like. So after this one, I wanted to do more. So I asked my son, hey, you got any more that I can redraw? So I collected some in a folder, and I went through that folder. First we have an ocean scene. Ocean scene with a bird picking out some fish, and it was pretty cute. He has the sky all blue, and he left the water blank so you can see the fish. But I didn't choose that one because I didn't want a landscape. That's not my strong suit. So we have a drawing of him in a bug costume. That's what he says. It's a bug costume. So I'm like, okay. Set that one to the side. Then we have a corn monster. He drew some of these when I was doing my cryptid series. There was a ghost, some kind of ghost critters, an alien. I think it's supposed to be like, I forget what it's called. The Denver Hoover Demon or something like that. I don't know. And then we have a picture of a volcano. Now what it says on there, it says, this is what I want to make, a volcano. We didn't make a volcano yet, but we will soon. We haven't got there yet. And here's his bunny character that he made along with the carrot man companion. He has a whole backstory for it. It's so cute. And then we have more creatures. So here I am asking him what certain parts was so I can clarify what we're doing here. And he said, the bunny had water powers coming out of his arms.
Water power.
Or her arms, sorry about that.
With wires.
Water power with wires? Does
Mm-hmm.
the water come out of the wire?
Huh? Yeah.
So I set the pic aside and I went to the drawing board. Of course, you gotta go to the drawing board so you can, parse things out. I started with the characters, his bunny character and the carrot man. I wanted to see how big I wanted the carrot man's feet to be or how small I wanted it to be. I ended up making it just kind of neutral. And then I went to the bunny character, fleshed out what I wanted it to be, how I wanted the plates of armor and stuff to be, because he had them there, but they're kind of flat. my style is more like it could be realistic, but it's comic-y. Then I went in with his bug costume. Um, I wanted to make the plates and cool stuff. He had just a little sketch down, so I wanted to go more in depth of what the costume was. So I got my trusty previews magazines for comics, and I picked one of the poses, and I found some perfect ones. And so I just sketched it down on the paper, the poses, and then later I went in with the characters, pasting them into the poses. I picked the pose for Carrot Man. And now he's jumping off of the bunny's arm. It's pretty funny. Added some details, not all the details, because I'll add more details when I line. When drawing these characters, since I already had a base, it was more easy to flesh them a little more out, because it's already based off of a material that's existing. And I do a lot with that. I did the Captain America, the Colossus, and other stuff like that. Did I do a Colossus? Yes, I did do a Colossus. X-Men characters, stuff like that. It's very easy to redesign and make other things because it's already there. He used to have this one piece. It was like a little jet plane guy, and he was so cool. He had like this pose that he was doing, and honestly, I miss it. I don't know what happened to it. It used to be in my fridge for a while, but now it's not. I did the full sketches penciled. I penciled in all the characters, and then I did the background, which I did some action lines. They're a little off-center, but you can't really tell. Then I went in with liners, and I added, more shading and even more details. I wanted it to be pretty epic and cool. So here I tried to use my kneaded eraser. Now, usually, I don't have a problem with it. But this time, look at that. Why? Why? We just had to rip it. But, you know, we got tape. We alright. So I taped it up and we got going. And here is the final pieces. Tell me how you think. Tell me what you think. Do you like my version of his character? Or do you like the originals better? Some of them I like the original better. He wasn't a fan of either of them, which is fine with me. He was wondering why he was fighting his own bunny. He loves that bunny. But you know, it's a comic. You know, it's gotta have some conflict in the story. It's like, why am I fighting my bunny? I love my bunny. But yes, I hope you liked this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Make sure you drink some water, stay healthy, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.